I bet a nigga from Houston, Texas came and said he got everything done. We finna see he got everything done for real. You ready for me to do this shit?
Hey, ain't no cheap shit.
You sure you ready for me to do this shit? Cause I do this shit for real.
Nah, you good.
Okay, let me show you what's wrong right here. You asked for 100, I'm telling you where you going wrong. Hold on, goddamn, you gotta go for 100. I'm going 100.
Yeah, I think he got go.
You can't ask for 100,000 when he got me around. But it look good. It look good. I ain't gonna lie. You got your shit right. But when you come to me, when you talk shit to Coke, you gotta know how to back it up.
Yes, sir. We didn't pull up to the turkey leg pad. So what's the deal here, man? What we doing?
We gonna check. I bet a nigga from Houston, Texas came and said he got everything done. We finna see he got everything done for real. And he ain't got no lemon.
So how much he want for the car, man?
100,000.
100,000.
Lift, pop this hood up. Hold up. It look like something over here.
Nice joint right here.
It look like something over here.
He pulling that other joint out. He said
Gang!
ain't movie.
Gang, do me a favor.
Android charger.
Who got an Android charger? Who got an Android charger?
Hey, bro. I'm 36 years old with 2 of these motherfuckers.
Open the hood. Open the hood.
Yeah, 2 of these
Shine, come on, y'all.
He said open the hood.
Oh, he was gonna burn it. Hey, I'm telling you right now, I ain't got no turbos. Ain't no turbos. Interior clean. Check.
Hold on,
He got suspension.
Let me see.
Brakes, dash, digital.
We gonna see.
Hey, take your camera and put up under that motherfucker.
Yeah, butter it. Okay, then. Can we get some light? We need some light.
He said put the camera under that motherfucker. Hey,
Where's my camera at, man? God damn. Let me see.
All right, LF.
Oh, shit.
Let me see. Okay, now you said, you sure you ready for me to do this shit?
Hey, ain't no cheap shit.
You sure you ready for me to do this shit? Cause I do this shit for real.
Nah, you good.
Okay, let me show you what's wrong right here. This right here, you got too much fire hazard going. You gotta hide this shit right here. If you want 100,000, you gotta hide all this shit. That's why they call me Coke. Down here, you ain't off the frame. The shit look a little dirty right there. You ain't gonna tell Coke. See, when I talk my shit, I'll wear it for you. You got a motor, goddammit. It look good under here. You know what I'm saying? It look good as hell. All you gotta do is tighten up there.
That's cool.
And you got the whatchamacallit. He check over here. He got the arm. You got all that.
Go burn it up though.
I already went down.
He got the coilovers.
He got a coilover?
Only thing he missing in the back is the adjustable arms.
The adjustable
I
arm.
got that. You ain't looking hard enough.
What fuel tank?
What fuel tank he got? The adjustable.
Brand new fuel tank. Brand new.
Let me see what time.
Brand new fuel tank.
This is the trailer arm is still factory, bro.
That's okay.
That's not okay. That's not okay. That's not okay. That's factory.
Let me see.
That's not okay.
Oh, stop right there, homie.
Hey, I ain't
Stop right there, homie.
Guess what though? Guess what though?
Nah, you asked for 100. I'm telling you where you going wrong. Hold on, goddamn, you gotta go for 100. I'm going
Yeah, I think he got code.
Oh no.
Oh no.
What you got?
Oh no.
Going on, code.
Oh no, that's a regular tank.
That's alright. Brand new though.
No. That's
Brand new though.
Oh, no. It's brand
No,
new.
hey, hold on, let me get I'm get under that bitch again. Hold up. Nah, hey, you look good. Hey, listen, help me out. Help me out. That's what I'm gonna tell you. It look good inside.
Power windows? Power windows?
Power windows?
Power roll-ups.
What fuel pump you got?
He got what you got? He got regular.
It's regular.
Regular fuel pump?
EF5 right here.
Give me a feel.
EF5 right here.
Just do it, Bruno.
EF5 right here.
Please, hold on, let me show you something.
Hey, look up on this motherfucker. Look up on this motherfucker.
This one, hold on, I don't want to do that one. Gang, no, give it to him. No, you can try. Gang,
Get your motherfucking ass over here.
get some.
Hey, get your ass over here.
Get what we doing,
I'm coming.
Get your ass over here.
You're not like the way you doing that shit. 100,000, you can't ask for 100,000 when he got me around.
Okay, guess what though?
But it look good.
Guess what though?
It look good. I ain't gonna lie. You got your shit right. But when you come to you spent your money.
Guess what though?
But when you come to me,
guess what though?
when you come to me, when you talk shit to Coke,
guess what though?
you got nothing to back it up.
Coke, guess what though? Somebody gonna pay it. You ain't got
See, you right.
That's it right there. Somebody gonna pay it.
I'm gonna show you how you gotta pay.
Watch yourself. Watch yourself.
Get this shit. Get this shit. You did it good. You did it good. Look at that shit. Yank. Hang on. All right. Oh, don't see some ass shit. Up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get some.
Take that shit to a racetrack. Take that shit to a racetrack.
We ride them bitches in the street.
Listen,
We ride them bitches in the street. This is on our team.
I ain't got no racetrack shit. I ain't got no racetrack shit.
Ain't no racetrack shit. We put them bitches on the streets. We ride them.
I ain't gonna lie. What you didn't do, we gonna talk off camera.
We gonna talk off camera.
Why you do that jazz cause the big shit? I can peek gang to the big shit. I can peek gang, niggas ain't street. I can switch shit.
I'm good. Yeah.
Good morning. Take that shit out of you. We ain't gonna kill him. We ain't gonna kill him.
Yeah.
Get the fuck out of here.
Right.
We ain't gonna kill us, bro.
You know what we do best, bro. We out here
We ain't gonna kill us.
Huh? You wanna race it? On what? See, I like you. You come looking for trouble. What's that?
Hey, nigga, hey, cuz say, hey, he wanna race.
Y'all see what's going on, man. We out here in Houston, man. Having it our way.
You wanna battle on music?
I fuck with it a little bit.
You wanna battle on music?
Oh, no, I don't fuck with no music.
Huh? You make a call. Listen, make a call. Go in the goddamn building, and any nigga that went from you.
Hey, man, well, y'all close the turkey leg. Y'all can't pull up here.
Come on, let's go, Cole.
He said, yo, ready to.
Yeah,
these niggas must be out of Miami. Yeah, top 5 niggas. Yeah, we out of top 5 niggas. Y'all niggas pull up over here by the turkey. That bitch sound good, bro. Y'all got no slam with no music? Want any smoke with music?
Any smoke with me.
Ain't no hoes. You want to bet some on music?
Got one car here.
You want to bet for music before anybody on that truck? Yeah. Hell no.
That bitch so loud.
Somebody gonna stop Coke turning this bullshit on.
Y'all turn that shit off,
Don't
Cole.
turn that shit on.
Don't turn that shit off, Cole, man. That shit too fucking loud.
Who got the key?
Fuck that shit, man. Cole trying to turn this damn loud ass music on that bitch. So loud, bro. He got it. I let that nigga know.
Oh, I got that one. I got on like that one.
What real you got? I forgot where you put it, my shit. I had got to be dead, bro. I got
Don't count.
I got 47 with cars. It's a Caprice housing though. But nah, I'm gonna tell you what you get the 4.9-inch. It's harder to break. Make the housing, get the 4.9-inch, and put all that stuff in there, and you'll laugh. I'm waiting to break that so I can go to that. I ain't find out about the 4.9-inch until I got that done, and I was pissed off. I want some shit that's harder to break than.
That's what I need. That's why I don't be in that bitch for real. Like, you know what I'm saying?
What training you got?
I got 480.
I like the 60 better, but they told me I had to go to 80 because I was gonna break it.
You see how I go to interstate? How I was just in that bitch just riding?
No, I got an 8. I got it 480 stage 6 though.
You said you like the
But I'm